Do you want to create unlimited videos using VEO 3? Then watch the full video.
Don't worry, I will show you a method, and that's create unlimited video by using Canva freely.
Hello everyone, I'm Arif, welcome to my brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create unlimited videos using Canva, and how to get access to a Canva Pro account completely free. I'll be revealing a hidden method, so make sure you watch the full video and don't miss this opportunity. Let's start the video. First, I will open any web browser of my computer, and then I will also open Canva website. Today, I will create a video using Canva features that allow Google VEO 3 completely free, with no login, credit card, or additional requirements needed. Next, click on the Canva AI button. Then select the option labeled Create a Video Clip. Now, I will select the cinematic style for the video. After that, I will choose the aspect ratio and set the duration. Each video clip can be up to 8 seconds long. I will also adjust the framing and lighting settings to enhance the visual quality. After configuring all the settings, the next step is to paste a prompt to generate the video. So now, I'll enter the video prompt. Now, click the Enter button to start generating the video. The video will be created using Google VEO 3, featuring enhanced audio quality. Sometimes, an error may occur during the video generation process. If that happens, there's no need to worry, simply paste the prompt again and try once more. If the error again shows, then modify the prompt slightly for better results. In this case, I'm using another prompt to generate the video. As you can see, the video has started generating. Google VEO 3 is now creating the video based on your provided prompt, applying the selected cinematic style, aspect ratio, duration, and visual settings. This powerful tool not only delivers high-quality visuals but also enhances the final output with clear, professional-grade audio. In just a few moments, your video will be ready for preview, download, or further editing. The video generation process takes only 1 minute or less. Let's now play the video and observe the outstanding results.
Look at this. Trillions of stars, millions of light years away. Every single speck is a sun, maybe with its own worlds. What do you imagine?
It's really good. Let's create another video. The process is simple and easy to follow. As mentioned earlier, the video generation takes only a few moments. So, please sit tight while the video is being created. With this method, you can generate up to 5 videos completely free. There's a simple trick to unlock this, and don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Once you learn this method, you'll be able to generate unlimited videos at no cost, with no login, no credit card, and no subscriptions required. The platform also features a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of experience level. I'll reveal the full method at the end of this video, so stay with me to make sure you don't miss any important steps. Trust me, I will reveal the method, and once you know it, you'll be able to generate as many videos as you want. I've already shown several free tools, including how to use VEO 3 to create videos with free access. These tools allow you to generate high-quality media content without any cost. The video generation process is now complete. Let's play the video and review the final result. I'm satisfied with the result. So now I'll move on to creating another video by pasting a new prompt. I've fast-forwarded the video to save time. As mentioned earlier, the video generation process takes less than 1 minute. Let's see the video. As you can see below, I've already generated 3 videos. That means I can only create 2 more, as the platform provides 5 free video generations. That's why I'll go ahead and create the remaining 2 videos as well. You can easily generate prompts using ChatGPT or other free AI models. These are the steps to generate the video. Simply follow the instructions I've shown, and you'll be able to create videos just like I did. With the right tools and prompts, you can easily produce high-quality content, just as I've demonstrated. Now, I have only one video generation left for this month. After creating it, I won't be able to generate any more videos using this account until the next month. Once the monthly limit resets, I'll be able to generate additional videos again. I have reached my limit for video generation. Now, let's review the final results of the videos I created.
We are now in control.
To download the video, simply click the download icon, and the video will be saved to your computer. As I've reached the video generation limit, I'll now reveal the hidden method that allows you to use Canva Pro completely free of charge. As part of this method, you'll need to create a new Canva account. If you already have a second account available. In that case, you can simply use your existing one. As I don't have an additional Canva account, I'll create one using Google. This method is simple, fast, and saves time during the setup process. As you can see, this is a free Canva account that I just created a short while ago. Currently, I'm unable to generate videos using VEO3 with this account. To access the video generation features, a payment is required to upgrade to Canva Pro. To activate Canva Pro features, I'll use an invite link that provides access to a Pro account. You'll find this link in the description below the video. As you can see, I've successfully gained access to Canva's Team Pro features for free. By using this account, I can now generate more videos for free. Gaining access to Canva Team Pro features and unlocking Google VEO3 is really easy with this method. You'll find a Telegram link in the video description. Just click it to access the Canva Team Pro invitation and start using premium features for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more valuable content.